Hey there, it's Maddie with Brinkley RV, and today we're going to be showing you our pet-friendly features in the Model Z Air. First things first, we know it's important to have your dog out enjoying the campground with you. So that's why we have incorporated a tie-down spot specifically to leash up your dog to. You can find that on the Z Air right here underneath of your front pass-through storage area. All Z Airs currently feature the 𝗷𝗺𝗺 screen defender on the screen door. So when you close your screen door, this is going to be on the interior of the unit. That's going to help prevent your pooch from running out, bolting through that screen door. Another awesome feature in every Model Z Air is going to be the pet bowls that we provide. So it is in a steel base, and because your island base is steel, it will have magnets attached that you can just connect right to it, so you can move this around to any side of the island that you wish. Also, what's cool about these pet bowls is that they collapse, so they're perfect for on-the-go travel. Another thing to note is that you won't find any carpet in our Model Z Air. We also have our vents in the island base, not in the main floor, which is going to help you keep your unit clean by keeping pet dander out of the floor.